Good morning, children. I hope all of you have remembered yesterday we have learned a new thing in numeracy. What we have learned yesterday? Yesterday we have learned tens frame. And I have told you why we using tens frame and how do we count, right? I have shown you that there are 10 small rectangles in a tens frame, and when we put dots in each box we will get the number. And how to count? I have told you whenever we count we should count from left to right. Remember? Now yesterday we have completed page number 38 where the first question, 1 minute, let me take my brush. In the first question, write the number shown on each tens frame. You did. How you did? You counted the dots and then write the number here in the box, right? Then after counting and writing, you move to the next part. Fill in the tens form for each number. Here the number is given and you make the dots, right? You have done these two work. Now today we will do something different. What we will do? We will open page number 40. Now what I am telling, listen to me very carefully. Children, ये क्वेश्चन में दो पार्ट है. 1 minute, let me take my brush. Here two parts are there. फर्स्ट पार्ट में उन्होंने बोला राइट द नंबर शोन ऑन द टेंस फ्रेम्स. जैसे पेज नंबर 39 में हमने किया था. यू कैन सी द डॉट्स. पम्पकिन के अंदर एक टेंस फ्रेम है, उसमें डॉट्स है. यू हैव टू काउंट दैट डॉट्स एंड यू हैव टू राइट दोज डॉट्स इन द स्मॉल स्क्वायर बॉक्स. दिस इज द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. यहाँ पे ये पहला पार्ट है जो हमें करना है. सेकेंड पार्ट इज देयर कलरिंग दैट वी विल नॉट डू टुडे. अंडरस्टूड? टुडे ओनली वी विल काउंट द डॉट्स एंड राइट द नंबर. वी विल राइट द नंबर्स जो टेंस फ्रेम में दिखाया गया है. अंडरस्टूड? एंड हाउ टू राइट? How to know which number is shown in the tens frame? We have to count the dots. Children, no one will touch crayons today. For today's class we don't need crayon. We will not color the pumpkin. Understood? Now listen to me very carefully. Second part we will do next class. Understood? आज पहले हम लोग dots count करेंगे and we will write the number which is shown on the tens frame. Tens frame में जो number दिखाया गया वो लिखेंगे. Now one thing I want to show you. Have you seen there are 4 parts and every part देखो 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4. 4 leaves and leaves वाला एक छोटा सा box बनाया है and every part there are 2 pumpkin. Yes. Have you seen that? Now each pumpkin is showing a number because each pumpkin has a tens frame. हर pumpkin में देखो एक एक tens frame है और वो हर tens frame एक number show कर रहा है. So let's take your pencil. I am taking my brush and we will start our work. So let's take, which color will I take? Red? No, light blue. Okay. Now count. First pumpkin, how many dots are there? Take your pencil and count. And how to count? Strike and count. 1, 2, 3. So how many dots are there? 3. So which number is showing in this tens frame? Number 3. So write in this small box 3. Children, write it properly within the box. As ma'am is using virtual brush, it's very difficult to write within that small box. Okay, but with pencil you can write. Okay, now move to the next pumpkin. Next pumpkin, how many dots are there? You count with your pencil and tell me the number. Let's start counting. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Children, while counting, remember na, left to right always. Yes, so which number we will write here? Number 7. Done. Now you have to count other pumpkin. Now go to the next box here. Count how many, count this pumpkin. How many dots are there? Count. Take your pencil, stroke and count. 1 2 3 4 5. Now 5 हो गया. Children, move to bottom rectangle. वहाँ से काउंट करना है. 6, left to right, 7, 8, 9. So how many dots are there? 9. So write number 9. I know, ma'am, 9 is not under visible because of the brush. Okay. Now count next pumpkin. Again, first you will count top row from left to right, then bottom row left to right. Okay. Let's start counting. I will count along with you. 1 2 3 4 5. Now children, take your pencil to the left side bottom rectangle. Yes. 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, always left to right counting होना है. So how many, which number is showing? Number 10. You have to write within the box. Now the remaining 2 box, जहाँ पे और दो pumpkin है, this box and this box will be done by you. Yes, you will count and write the number. And again I am repeating, children, no one will color. आज आप pumpkin color नहीं करोगे. पहले आज आप pumpkin में जो tens frame है उसमें कौन सा नंबर शो कर रहा है, यू हैव टू काउंट द डॉट्स एंड वो नंबर आपको लिखना है. नो वन विल डू द कलरिंग, वी विल डू इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. बिकॉज आपको कलरिंग करने से पहले और एक चीज़ करनी होगी. यू हैव टू लर्न समथिंग, देन यू कैन डू द कलरिंग. सो डोंट डू द कलरिंग, ओनली काउंट and write the number. Okay, so till date I have teach you what is tens frame and how we can find out a number which is shown in the tens frame. कैसे हमें पता चलेगा tens frame में कौन सा नंबर लिखा है. Okay, so start counting and complete your work and you will do your work with pencil, not crayons. ठीक है. As ma'am is using this color because ma'am can't use pencil virtually, right? That's why. Now children, start your work. But one thing I did not mention. What? You have to write date. Yes, today's date. Today's date is 22nd 6 21. मतलब आज का डेट है 22nd 2 slanting line 6 because this is June month. Slanting line 21 21. Okay, now children, start your work and till then, bye.